Hi guys, if you want to create a word cloud in PowerPoint, something like this, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all, close it. Now to create a word cloud in PowerPoint, first of all, open PowerPoint. Here it is. Now first of all, add the text and words whose word cloud you want to make. For the example, here I have some texts which I want to include in my word cloud. So I'll simply copy it and paste it here. I will remove this one. Once you have added the text whose word cloud you want to make, now to create the word cloud, simply go to home and simply click on this add-ins option here. Simply click on it and now here type Pro Word Cloud. From the search result, when you see this option Pro Word Cloud, click on its add option here, and the Pro Word Cloud add-ins will be added. Here you can see. Now to create the word cloud, first of all select this text, and now from this font section here, click here and select the font you want for your word cloud. You can select any font you want. Let's say I want to select this font, Gunplay, so I'll simply click on it and the font Gunplay is selected. Now from the color section, you can select the color of your word cloud, so simply click on it. And from here you can choose the colors you want. If you want these colors with white background, you can select this one. If you want these colors with black background, you can select this one. Let's say for the example, I want these colors with black background for my word cloud. So I will simply select this color, which is called Dark City. Here it is. Now from the layout section, you can select any layout you want. Here I want to keep this default one, which is preserve case. So I will select this. And from this case section, I want to keep all uppercase. So I will simply select the all uppercase. And from the max words, you want to set how many words you want. Let's say I want to keep it maximum. I will add 500. From the size section, you can select the word cloud size. For the example, I want to keep it 1280 and 720 pixel. If you want to remove the common words from your word cloud, you can select this option. If you want to keep the common word, you can uncheck it. I want to remove the common words, so I will simply select this option. And once you have selected everything and the text is also selected, now simply click on this option, create word cloud. Simply click on it and it will start generating. You can see. To regenerate, simply click on this option and it will regenerate. You can see it is providing different word cloud. You can see it is regenerating. Now let's say you want to change the color. Click on color option here. Select any different color. Let's say I want to select these colors with yellow background. So I will simply select it. And let's say I want to select the case lower, all lowercase. So I will simply select the all lowercase. And then I will simply click on create word cloud. And you can see color has been changed and all are in the lowercase. If you want to regenerate, simply click on it and it will be changed. You can see. Let's again regenerate and it has been changed. To make the changes, let's say I want to decrease the words. I will simply keep it 100. I will also select the case. I will select the preserve case. And from the font section, I will select a different font as well. I want to select this font. Once you selected whatever you want, click on create word cloud and you can see the word cloud has been changed. I like the previous bold font, so I will select that, Gunplay, and I want to keep the case all uppercase, and then I will simply click on create word cloud and here is the word cloud. Now let's say I want to change the color. I will simply click here and change the color and then click on create word cloud. Once you have created the word cloud of your choice, to save it, simply click on it and drag it here. Now wait for a few seconds and you can see word cloud is here now. Now you can use this word cloud image on your PPT presentation. You can increase or decrease its size. You can see. Once you have created the word cloud, now you can remove the text you added for the word cloud. These are the text I added. Let's remove it. Simply select it and delete. If you want to use it in your PPT, you can use it anywhere you want. And in case, if you want to save this word cloud image on your computer, for that simply right click on it and here click on Save as Pictures. Select your file location, rename it and then click on Save. And it will be saved on your computer. Let's check. Open it. And here is the word cloud we just created. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily create a word cloud in PowerPoint. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.